A big round of applause for Chuck LaCour. He's coming up for the Intelliflex Edge, setting new standards in modular data centers.
We went and visited a crypto mining site. We looked around. I said to myself, there's got to be a better way. My name is Chuck LaCour, founder of CS Corporation, home of the Intelliflex line of product. At Intelliflex, we're innovators. We're very conscious about the overall footprint that the system will take and the overall density that we could achieve on a single parcel of land. When you talk about density, that's eco-friendly. The carbon footprint, look at 6 megawatt of Intelliflex solution versus 6 megawatt of any other system out there. We design, build, deploy, and operate our system. We have 4 cooling pods on top of one 6 megawatt system. We designed a system that is very easy to operate. We have industry-leading operation uptime and efficiency. Our product are UL certified. Quality is what we do. Every piece will have their own power distribution system, their own immersion tank, network system, pump, fans. Our clients that we have all have something in common, and indeed they're looking for a high quality product that they could deploy as a modular system that is scalable. At Intelliflex, our motto is start to finish.
Good morning, everyone. Thanks for being here and listening to what we have to say. I hope you enjoyed that first video we have. I introduce myself. I'm Chuck LaCour. I'm the CEO, founder of CS Corporation, home of the Intelliflex line of product. So in 2019, today we're just going to go through a brief history of Intelliflex. We have a few milestones that we're very proud. We wanted to go through with you guys and explain where we come from, where we are to date, all the way in 2025. In 2019, this is where we started prototyping first running proof of concept. As you can see here on the left side, we got our first prototype, which was the intent of that was to demonstrate and test a single phase and a 2-phase liquid immersion solution to figure out what would be best to actually deploy commercially on the market. Because of all the single phase was selected because of the cooling capacity based on the compute density, cost of production, simple operation and maintenance. So we moved forward and built our first, as we like to call it, Iron Man 1. We have it on the side there. In 2021, we opened our new headquarters and manufacturing facility set up for success. We actually built this to have a new state-of-the-art R&D lab to keep innovating and testing. We expanded our manufacturing capacity to 1 gigawatt per year. And this is where we house our multidisciplinary engineering and manufacturing team. 2021 was a great year for us. First large deployment worldwide, 60 megawatt. We thought we'd make it easy for ourselves, deploy across the world. We call it our world tour. It was definitely a great success for first deployment. A few challenges on the way, but great success overall. 2022, immersion ready miner hits the market. We were very happy to see that we had a full adoption of liquid immersion cooling from the hardware manufacturer. This helped a lot pushing the liquid immersion solution sales. It was a great year for us. Lots of testing on the RD lab, engineering and design optimization on the Generation 1 module to make sure we could accommodate these new generation of miners coming up. As you can see, pictures in our lab and a few liquid immersion ready miners as well. 2023 Generation 2 IMDC deployment, insights gained. Basically, we brought in a few optimization for augmented flow distribution, new SPDU generation for a single and three-phase mining operation, upgrade the industrial automation system with local HMIs, updated our PID loop control for better performance, and multiple small changes for ease of installation and operation. It was crucial to stay relevant in the market. 2024, our Generation 3. So we kept evolving, moving forward with even better solution. Keep refining the solution, never look back, keep moving forward. Some of the optimization we did were stainless double-braided hose for longevity and increased reliability. We increased flow capacity with our new VFD-driven Grundfos pump. The new FlexFlow distribution design allows for a quick change of injection nozzles for any miners available on market and coming up. We changed and upgraded to a busway system for our primary power distribution. And again, multiple changes for ease of installation and speed up deployment process. You can see a couple of deployments here of the Generation 3. Looking pretty good. Uh, 24, 25, refined. Basically, continuous innovation. Continuous innovation is key to remain the industry-leading solution. New design consists of robust, high-efficiency performance, built in U.S., dry cooler, extremely quiet in a high ambient temperature, and ease of operation and maintenance. We made a lot of changes, I think, a lot based on noise pressure and operation and maintenance. As you can see, these motors are very easy to access if any problem occur. 2025, very excited to say that we are proud to announce we have an expansion of our manufacturing and service department in Texas, centralized location to serve all our U.S. project and clients, strategic positioning for future growth, access to top talent manufacturing partners, and it allows for an additional 2 gigawatt of manufacturing capacity. Again, we have a lot of extra capacity. This is up and running by end of Q2 25. Yeah, 2025, where we sit today. I just kind of show you where we started with our prototypes, and now today where we sit in 25 is 430 megawatt of deployed system globally, 500 megawatt of capacity in the backlog. We are, very happy where we sit. I think it's a reflection of the trust our clients and partner in place in the Intelliflex team and our line of product. So, a big kudos to the Intelliflex team on that, and thanks to our clients. Now, I just wanted to go through just to show a bit the capacity and the range of the Intelliflex, how it's a flexible solution for all climates out there. We have the deployments we see here in New Brunswick, which is basically reliable operation in cold, humid, and coastal climate. Wyoming, proven performance in cold weather and high altitude condition, where low air density challenge for dry cooler. Abu Dhabi, I ain't have to say, but engineered to thrive in extreme heat and dusty desert conditions. South Florida, withstood 2 hurricane operating in high ambient heat and intense humidity. I think that speaks to the quality of the solution, where it could be deployed, extremely flexible, and could take on any challenges out there. I'm just going to go through a little explainer video so you could see what the IMDC is. I'll leave it to that. Yeah, a bit of an explainer. I think shows very well the solution of the IMDC 6.0. Obviously, we have one here on the floor, so I invite everybody to come and take a look at it. I hope you liked this first portion of the presentation. We're just going to move on to what's next here. Taking what we've learned from the Intelliflex line of product, and in response to market demand, we are proud to announce our newest line of product, the Octopod. The Octopod is actually an AI HPC Tier 3 rapidly deployed data center. I'm going to go through a quick timeline just to situate you guys of where we're sitting and when we launched this. It's not a new product. It's been out there since 24. But in 2023, we started our AI HPC design, moved on to 24 when we did our first product launch at the Yada show in Vegas. In 2024, we went into an partnership agreement with WWT, Worldwide Technology, as an OEM. And in 2025, 300 megawatt agreement with TerraSys and our friend Chad Harris. This is kind of where we sit today, just to situate you. But now we're going to go through what the Octopod solution is. Again, it's a pre-engineered modular data center, Tier 3. I'm just going to go through here. As you can see, this is a fairly large deployment. That solution there is up to 100 megawatt of solution. It encompassates all the building blocks that you would need to build a Tier 3 data center, which we're going to go through right now, is basically every building block of the solution, from your switchgear all the way down to your IT hall and cooling system. Yeah, our cooling modules. Yeah, our cooling module includes chiller unit paired with roof-mounted dry coolers, equipped with variable speed control for optimal efficiency. 3 chiller system and associated dry cooler and piping allows for N+1 redundancy. You can see here how everything is kind of laid out. We utilize the same dry cooling system that we had on our IMDC solution, so this is no news. We repackage a lot of our existing components into a different system. Our diesel rotary UPS solution. This is in a really good solution. Diesel rotary uninterruptible power supplies eliminates the need for battery and combined generator and UPS system into one component, making for more efficient and reliable systems. Very good for this type of application. Our switchgear. Again, that's where we start. From utility power, we have all the switchgear included. You have everything in place. Module includes incoming power utility cabinet and all associated feeder breakers and protection for the downstream medium voltage site power infrastructure requirements. So those are customizable to whatever the primary power you have on site and what is actually the source of power you have on site. So this is a great solution for that. Our Mega Box, again, when we speak about a product that's vetted since 2019, the Mega Box module, our unit substation that handles medium voltage power transformation, metering, protection, downstream from the switchgear building. This is basically your power transformation that you need all the way down to 415, but it includes a little more with your power metering and all your controls. The control room is a very nice addition to all of this. The control room modules are tailored to your specific specification to house operators, central servers, networking hubs, workshop, restroom. Basically, it's a module that could be tailored to what you need. You could have multiple of them on one configuration, and it allows for good space for your operation team. The compute module. Module house all of your servers and network rack, immersion tanks, and associated smart PDUs. It includes all of your power distribution, bus systems, and liquid cooling piping rack assemblies. Basically, that's the heart of the Octopod solution. We're going to go down a little more in depth here, where you could see all the power distribution busway on top, your liquid cooling manifold right down the center, with 2 rows of server racks and your craw units on the outside walls. How does it work? You can see how your PDU power connection comes from the busway. You have air circulation here for all your residual heat that you get from your direct-to-chip cooling racks, up to 30%, depending on what you deploy in there. And then your liquid cooled injection and hot returns. Going through all of this, we went through all the module. What we have here is another explainer video that should kick in right at this point. That's going to show you the Octopod solution kind of in general, just a good run through. Well, thank you everybody for watching. I hope this was enjoyable for everybody, informative. If you have any question, we're booth 369. We have full IMDC 6.0 here to show, and a team to answer all questions. So thanks for your time. Have a great show. Yep. See you out there.